Alright, what's up geographers, it's Mr. Jewel here for SJB Jog Vlogs. It's about 10 to 4 in the morning and we are off to Morocco. As you can see behind me, my bag is packed in the hallway ready to go, and I'm about to go pick up Miss Paling from her house and then head towards Gatwick, ready for departure, ready to meet all the other students for an amazing 5-day adventure to Africa. Check it out, watch along with us, and you get to see what's happening. Alright, what's up? It's Mr. Jewel for SJB Jog Vlogs. We are boarding the plane. You can see the bunch of students behind me. We're nearly on our way, well, we are on our way to Morocco. Good times. Boarding the plane! No! Give us a wave. There we go.
Nous vous demandons de bien vouloir garder l'allée centrale dégagée afin de permettre aux autres passagers d'embarquer.
Oh, come on, sir!
We've arrived at Morocco and it's raining. Not quite the hot weather we were expecting, but we're here nonetheless. Everyone's behind me here, ready for the journey to the hotel in Marrakesh. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, what's up? It's Mr. Jewel for SJB Jog Vlogs. We're out here in Marrakesh, Morocco. Not exactly the weather we were hoping for. It's chucking it down with rain, as you can see. But
we love Morocco.
We're on our way to the souks and the apothecary, and we're all going to have an amazing time. We'll see you when we get there. Alright, what's up SJB geographers? We've made it to the souks of Marrakesh. As you can see behind me, the rain has now stopped. The sun's just peeking out from behind some clouds. Yeah, we've had a whale of a time.